how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. Today's video is going to be with the new Theresa is Dead and Lethal Cosmetics collaboration. Theresa is Lethal. I'm so excited for both of them. Round one was such a good collab. I have it right here, the Lethal is Dead palette. It is amazing. The liners that came with it are so cute as well. I love this palette. I reach for it fairly often. I'm very aware that it's in my collection, if that makes sense. Like, it never falls to the background for me, and I'm just so stoked that they did a round two. It's just, these go together so perfectly. I'm really, really excited about it. This collection also includes blushes, some liners as well. I'm gonna be playing with all of it. I'll be doing swatches and close-ups for you. I also will include swatch comparisons of the two palettes as well. I'm gonna create the look that you see right here, and it's gonna be a lot of fun. I also will do an additional look on my Instagram and TikTok, so just stay tuned. I will be doing that as soon as I can. I'm very swamped right now pre-filming for my trip. Just trying to get as many videos prepared ahead of time, so I can only do so much at once, but I will be doing that as soon as I can, I promise. This has already launched by the time this video goes up, and I really hope it's still in stock. If not, hopefully it'll restock. Just pay attention to Lethal and Theresa's socials, check their website, stuff like that. I will have the collection linked down below for you. Before we get into the swatches and my look, let me just give you my accessory details. This wig I got last year from insert name here. This is a Neff brand beanie, and I think this choker, ooh, I don't even know where it's from. Maybe Shop Sun & Co. I'm not quite sure. But yeah, without further ado, let's hop in, chat about the collection, open it all up, swatch everything, and then get to playing with it. We have some cheek products. We have 2 blushes and 2 highlighters. I really, really like Lethal's cheek product formula, and I'm really excited to see some more shades in this collection. The blushes are Cryostasis and Plan 9, and the highlighters are Eviscerate and Moonrock. They are just such beautiful colors. Cryostasis is the most beautiful purple glowy blush. Both of the blushes are super glowy. I really, really like it. It's very fun. I don't have a lot of purples in my collection, so I'm really excited to see this. And then this green Moonrock is so cute. Definitely not Laser Glazer. I don't even feel the need to swatch compare them because Laser Glazer from Kaleidos has such a like bronzy base, and it's much more of a sparkly with like a deeper green shift. This is more of like a very light highlighty shade with a green flip to it. I'm wearing it today. You can kind of see the green shine on my nose a little bit. I really like these products so far. I'm really excited to keep playing with them. I think they are so, so cute. We have 2 gel liners. I'm so excited. I really, really like their gel liner formula. I would love to own even more of them. So yeah, I'm really excited to see this. We have the shades Galactic Goo and Harvested. Galactic Goo is a very beautiful deep teal, and Harvested is just a beautiful bloody red. And it just, my brain immediately goes to War of the Worlds with those aliens harvesting all the people and spewing the blood out everywhere. It's just wonderful and chaotic, and I love every minute of it. And then of course we have the palette. This is like some of my favorite packaging I've ever seen. The artwork on this is just to die for. So stinking cute. I love the color palette. It is so, so pretty. And then on the inside we have 9 super fun shades. We have 6 mattes, 3 delicious shimmers. I love the tones in here. I think they are so pretty. They play together so well in such a weird way, and I just absolutely love that. I eat this up. It is so good. And then for comparative purposes, this is the new Theresa is Lethal compared to the OG Lethal is Dead. The swatches for the new one are on the top, and then the OG are on the bottom. There are a couple shadows like in a similar family, but really these are totally different vibes. These pair so nicely together, but they're also just really good separate palettes as well. I'm just so stinking excited. I love the look I created today. I can't wait for you to see me create it. I'm excited to play with this one some more. It's gonna be a fun time. I'm sure so many of you are gonna love this as well, and let's just get into it. I wanna just get into showing you the look. Hi friends, I'm so excited to play with this collection. Theresa reached out to me a couple weeks ago, letting me know that she has a new collab coming out in general, and she wanted to send it to me. I had no clue what it was though. And like, when it got revealed, I was like, of course it's a second round with Lethal because the first one was so perfect. And I'm just so excited that this is in my hands, and we're gonna play with it today. I guess first we should start with the cheek products because we have 2 beautiful blushes and 2 beautiful highlighters. And I kind of wanna be weird today. Like, I want to use the purple blush and the green highlighter because I think that would be fun. I'm just going to use this Alter Ego number 3 brush because it's clean. Yeah, we'll put some on the nose too. Why not? I don't usually opt for purple blush, but I feel like today's the day. I have nowhere to go today. It's actually Hurricane Ian Day, which thankfully it's actually not so bad where I'm at. I fully expected us to get tons of rain, potentially flooding, potentially power outages, but overnight it's kind of scooted more and more down. So So far, it's just been really windy today. It was more rainy yesterday. Just taking advantage of the power while I have it. That's crazy. Let me blend that out a little bit. I love that color though. It's so pretty. I think once I have the blush on my cheeks too and then my eyes done, I think it's all gonna pull together. I think that's lovely. And I wanna be weird today anyways, so let's just fully embrace it. I love the sheen that it leaves. I really like Lethal's blushes. I think they're a lovely, lovely formula. And I'm really excited to tap that green highlighter on top. I think it's gonna be so cool. I just wanna live my alien fantasy today. That is definitely what this collection is intended for. I think it's fun. I think it's very cool. Maybe not the color I would reach for every single day, but I think it's fun. I think that's really fun. All right, green highlighter time. This is just a Colourpop highlighter brush. I'm gonna go to town with this. Oh yeah, that's fun. That's really, really fun. I really enjoy that paired with the purple. I think that's super cool. Is it a lot? Yes. Am I happy that it's a lot? Also yes. I think it's super cute, very whimsical. Okay, time for the palette. I don't even know what I want to do because I want to play with everything. Like part of me also really wants to incorporate the Galactic Goo liner in some way, so maybe I should try to revolve my look around that. I guess to start with, I'm gonna prime with my Tone Activator Eye Primer. I'm just gonna dabble that on. I'm just gonna blend this out. I think I do want to start with Pew Pew. I think that would be really cute, just really buffed out in the inner corner. This is a Sigma E45 blending brush. I'm just gonna go to town, really building this up in the inner corner area. That's cute, just for a little cool tone pop of pink amongst everything else that I'm about to lay down. Cute, I like that color. I feel like this would make a really cute cool tone pink blush as well. All right, Specimen 3. I'm gonna take this Sigma E27 and I'm just gonna pack this in the outer corner, kind of drag it a little bit through the crease, only about halfway or so, if that, maybe only like a third. And just kind of building up that outer corner because I do want it to be fairly extended. Kind of like that. I'm gonna drag it on the lower lash line as well and just make sure that's connected. I'm gonna take that most of the way across. Kind of something like that. Really like the way that looks next to that pink. I think that's really cute. Already vibing with this look so much, and I feel like the purple blush is already just like making so much sense with that addition of the pink right there. I think that's so fun. I want to blend it out though with Venus Envy. I'm gonna use the E38 side of this dual-ended Sigma brush. I'm just gonna kind of go to town on this edge here. Very light pressure. I don't want to scoot it all the way into the pink either. I want it to be a nice blend between them. I'm really blowing out this lower lash area as well. I love all these colors together so far. I think it's so pretty. Oh, I'm just so excited for her and her new collab. She deserves the world. I'm just re-intensifying that Specimen 3 shade. So cute. Just gonna take a little bit more of that pink and re-intensify that just a little bit in the front. For the lid, I really want to smear TV dinner all over. It's just so shiny and metallic and I have to have that all over my eye. Gonna take my NYX glitter primer, of course. And this is just the E54 side of that same dual-ended Sigma brush. I'm just gonna slather this on the lid. Then right into TV dinner, look at that. Magical. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I knew this would be a good idea. Holy cow. I'm not necessarily doing anything like super cut creasy, but I do want to keep it fairly focused to the lid. I guess semi-cut creasy in the front, but I don't really care to use like a flat brush to make it super precise. And then I'm just gonna make sure this outer area blends nicely between matte to shimmer. Oh, I love that. I think that's so cool. Should I just carry that into the inner corner? I think I should. I think we should just let it have its moment because then the crease colors get to shine and do their colorful thing. And then the lid just gets to look super, super wet and shiny. Oh, I love that. I don't know what I want to do with this liner though. Maybe I'll just do like one of my swoopy moments where it just kind of like goes through the crease and then out. I think that could be fun. Let me get a little brush. I'm gonna use this tiny Gavisi GV12 brush, very, very long and skinny. I'm just gonna grab some of this product. These are very creamy to work with. Oh gosh, I need a mirror very close to my face. And I'm just gonna start it here and just kind of drag it through the crease a little bit. Okay, so far so good. Now I'm just gonna find where I left off, go out and swoop. Oh, cute. Now I just need to perfect it. Kind of grabbing a little bit more and just kind of scooting it around. The good thing about these gel liners is they're very forgiving. It's unlike a water activated liner where it's kind of like where you put it is where it stays unless you use water to deactivate it and make it disappear. But that can be messy if you have eyeshadow underneath. It's kind of hard to go back and forth over top of things with water activated because then it can get kind of chunky. This one I feel like just stays very glidey. I think that is super cool. So this is where I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna do that on the other eye, throw on my lashes and eye pencil and something on my lips, and I'll be back when I'm complete. All right, this is my final look complete. I love this. I think it's so fun, so weird. I love these colors together. I love this look. This was such a fun collection to play with. The eye pencil I ended up throwing in is Catsuit from Colourpop just to play with that teal. My lashes are the discontinued Noella lashes, Fiona lashes, and on my lips, obviously I also went with teal. This is Leviathan from Menagerie. I just thought it would be so weird and so cool to pair with this look. So yeah, this is the look. I hope you enjoyed it. Let's zoom out and finish up this video. I'll give you my thoughts so far. Thank you so much for watching my video playing with the new Theresa is Lethal collaboration part 2 with Lethal. I'm so incredibly happy for both of them. So far, I'm loving everything. Obviously, I still have one blush and one highlighter to play with, but I have no doubt in my mind that I'm going to enjoy them because I already know I like their formula a lot. And the ones I used today were just so fun to play with, so weird, so unique, so cool. Really, really impressed with these liners. Again, I didn't really have a doubt in my mind that I wouldn't be. I really like their liner formula, and I am dying to use this blood red. I think that is such a cool color, and I'm gonna have to put that on my eyes as soon as I can. Oh, and the palette makes me so happy. I think these colors are so stinking fun. These shimmers are amazing. I just adore how metallic this silvery shade is. It is so cool. I love that shade. I can't wait to use the other two shimmers. Obviously, I didn't use them today, but I will be using them as soon as I can. And these mattes are just so pretty. I think there's a lot you can do with this palette. I just like the versatility you can get with this. You can do something super bold and colorful. You can do something a little more subtle. It's just such a fun palette, and I'm just so happy for both of them. Congrats again, Theresa. I am so happy for you. You deserve everything. I would love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this new collection? What do you think of my look? I would love to chat down below. Do you plan on picking anything up? Did you pick up the OG palette when it launched, I think 2 years ago? I would love to hear from you. If you made it to the end of this video, leave me emojis relating to aliens, whatever that means to you. I feel like that is fitting. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel out a lot. And if you're not already, you can follow me on my other socials. You can join the battybean fam. I am battybean on everything, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. And if you want, you can subscribe. If you want to see more of my videos, I'm posting most days over here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Okay, bye. The wind is whistling outside like crazy. I mean, I'm very thankful that it's not any scarier than this, but it's a lot of wind right now. Like the way it's rattling against my house makes me feel like I live in a tiny shack or something, like made out of sticks. It's pretty loud. Gosh, the trees are blowing. Fingers crossed I can at least just get through this video before we lose power.